guys, so today we're doing a quick and cute look for Valentine's Day. So I've already done the eyeshadow and the eyebrows like usual, and now I'm just gonna go in with the foundation. I'm gonna use my black opal foundation stick and then go in with some liquid foundation that mattifies. Just a few areas where there was ever a scar or something like that, and then I blend it. My finger is around the edges of it. I'm gonna take our beauty blender and use this side. Blend it all in. And I really mean it when I say a quick, cute Valentine's Day look, because it's gonna be pretty quick, because once you do the foundation, everything else is just one after the other. So blend this in. So now we're going in with the contour and the highlight. Now I'm going to take my Sweet Cheeks blush and put it on, and my bronzer as well, because I love bronzer and it makes the look to me. But in the meantime, before I blend out my blush and put on my bronzer, I'm going to just do top eyeliner. Back up here, like that. And add the bronzer with my, it just goes on the sides where the contour, basically over where the contour was. And it just gives that warm look. Make sure you're not washed out by the makeup and you don't look dead. And now we're just going to blend in the blush with that bronzer. Let the Laura Mercier sit under areas that we don't want to get oily, which would be the forehead, chin, under the eyes, and probably on the nose area. Keep the nose dry and powdered. We're almost done now. We're just going to do one more concealer. I like to do one last dot under my eyes, the Revolution C10 shade. Sometimes I just do two, especially like on this day. What are you doing? So now that's blending in. Now that that's blended in, I'm going to go in with the Laura Mercier, translucent powder, and let it sit for 3 minutes as usual. T-zone basically. Chin. Under the eyes can get kind of, you don't want that area to be too dry, so you can actually wipe that one away pretty soon. Sooner than 3 minutes if you would like. But for the forehead and my chin, and my nose, I always like to let it sit for the full 3 minutes so that I know that it's going to keep it mattified. Because I get oily. And for your little Valentines, whatever your plans are, you definitely don't want to be oily if you can help it. So definitely let it sit for the full 3 minutes. So it's been 3 minutes now, so now I'm just going to blend in the chin area, swipe it away. Alright. And I've already gone in with some mascara, my Better Than Sex mascara. So now I'm just going to do the bottom half of my eye. Alright. And this is your quick and cute Valentine's makeup look. And I didn't break down what eyeshadow I used because I had already done that part when we started the video. But I'm going to show you on the palette. I just blended this color right here and and my bronzer, because sometimes when I don't want to do a eyeshadow color, you guys know I use my bronzer as an eyeshadow. So I mixed the bronzer and this color called Beauty, and it made this really pretty like pinkish color that I love to use. I used it yesterday and today. And so that's the combo for that. And I just like that it was really quick and it's really pretty but subtle. And I just have like a clear gloss on. And that's the look. And if you guys have any ideas or questions, leave them in the comments below. Like and subscribe, and have a great day.